What's the easiest and fastest way to build your own internet business from home? Well, it's an email business, and in this video I'm going to show you the fastest way that you can build your own email business. First, you're going to need an email marketing software. If you go to CameronLimitless.com/convertkit, you'll be able to get a free account. It is my affiliate link, and if you decide to use some more advanced settings later, like automations, I'll make a little commission. Now, what you're going to want to do here is just click through and create your free account. Next, what you're going to want to do is go up to landing pages and forms and create a landing page. And this is where you're going to send all your traffic to build your list. Now you can see here, I created this one and it says, see, do you know people are making money online using a limitless money formula? Want a copy? Simply enter your email below and I'll rush it to your inbox. So you can go ahead and create your landing page, which is completely free by the way. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get an email marketing domain and a private email address to be able to send emails from. When you go to CameronLimitless.com/domains, you're going to be able to select a domain here. It's also my affiliate link, and then when you purchase a domain, I'll make a little commission. Now, all you can do here is type in yourdomain.com, yourdomain.co.uk, search, see if it's available, and purchase the domain. They're only about £7 or something like that for the year. Once you've got your domain, you're going to want to go to manage, and then you go down to here and you'll go private email and you'll say buy now, and you'll buy a domain, private email domain. So like your name at yourdomain.com, contact at yourdomain.com, support at yourdomain.com. This is to send emails from in the email service provider, because if you just use a generic email address, it'll be very likely that your email marketing will go to spam. So it's super important that you have your own business email address. So when you buy that now, all you want to do next is you want to add it to the settings up here, account settings, and you'll be able to add the email here. Next thing you're going to want to need is a lead magnet. So you can create a lead magnet at canva.com. This is a lead magnet I made earlier, and it's the 3 common dental habits that can ruin your teeth. So all you want to do is create the PDF or the lead magnet you're going to create, download it to your computer. Then all you can do here is go to settings on your landing page, go down to incentive, and then you can go download, and then you can go choose a file and then upload your PDF there. So when someone opts into your email list, this PDF will be sent to their email address. Something that I'm going to mention here now is whenever you're doing the settings, you're going to want to go to this here and make sure that you are auto confirm new subscribers. So you make sure and you can see the new subscribers showing up in your new email marketing business. So this was the video for today. We went pretty fast, but hopefully you got some value and you understood how do you set up your email business. Now, a super important one actually is you're going to want to go to share. You're going to want to grab a copy of your new domain link, and when you go into your domain, you go to redirect domain, add a new redirect, and that means that when you post your domain on social media or wherever you're going to post it, when people click that link, it's going to redirect them to your new landing page. Now, if you want to watch out for tomorrow's video or the next video coming up, I'm going to show you an influence building strategy to be able to attract people to your new lead magnet and build your email business out. This was it. If you're interested in learning as well about a limitless lifestyle business, I'm going to leave a link to it below, and you can go ahead and check out that great resource, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one. Bye bye.